Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to create a leave and attendance tracker in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. To begin, open a new Excel sheet and create a basic structure for your attendance tracker. In the first row, enter headers such as employee ID, employee name, department, and the dates for the month, for example from 1 to 30. Each column under these dates will represent daily attendance for each employee. Use short codes such as P for present, A for absent, L for leave, and H for holiday. Next, let's calculate attendance totals for each employee. At the end of the row, add 3 new columns named Total Present, Total Leave, and Total Absent. To calculate total present, click on the cell and type equals COUNTIF open bracket D2 colon AG2 comma P close bracket. The total present days will appear. Now drag the formula down to apply it to other employees. To calculate total leave, type equals COUNTIF open bracket D2 colon AG2 comma L close bracket. The total leaves will appear. Now drag the formula down to apply it to other employees. To calculate total absent, type equals COUNTIF open bracket D2 colon AG2 comma A close bracket. The total absence will appear. Now drag the formula down to apply it to other employees. Start by selecting the attendance cells for all employees. Make sure the selection includes only cells with P, A, L, and H. Now look at the top of your Excel screen and click on the Home tab. From the Home tab, move to the Conditional Formatting option and click on it. From the drop-down menu, click on New Rule. A new window will open on your screen. In this window, select the option that says Format only cells that contain. Below that, make sure the rule is set to equal to. In the text box, type the letter P. Now click on the Format button. A new window will open again. Click on the Fill tab and choose a green color. Click OK to apply the formatting. Now repeat the same steps for the letter A. Go back to Conditional Formatting, click New Rule, select Format Only Cells That Contain, and type A. Click Format, choose a red fill color, and click OK. Repeat this one more time for the letter L. Go back to Conditional Formatting, click New Rule, select Format Only Cells That Contain, and type L. This time, select a yellow fill color and click OK. Once done, you'll notice that all attendance values are now clearly highlighted. That's it! You now know how to create a leave and attendance tracker in Microsoft Excel. In Unova HRMS, a complete leave and attendance tracker is already available in the Attendance and Leave modules, where present, absent, and leave records are automatically calculated and highlighted. Thank you for watching.